Hey everybody, Derek Gilbert here, owner of the Gilbert Group at Keller Williams Realty, and just wanted to reach out to all of you and give you our quarterly update. I can't believe it's already April, and the first quarter has just flown by this year. So there's actually been some great progress in our real estate market. If you watched our last video, we talked a little bit about the pullback that we saw last fall that basically occurred from August all the way through Thanksgiving. Then we started seeing our market recover in December, and we had a really good start in January and February, moving into March. So here we are, it's April. First quarter numbers actually were up quite a bit. We had some great news that came out of the Fed that they've said they're not going to increase interest rates this year. So I think that's kind of brought some life back into the market. We've recouped the majority of what I think we saw pull back in the market last year, so that's been good news for sellers. One of the things that we've seen this year in contrast to 2018 and 2017 is I think the market has gotten to the point where the competition for buyers has become a little bit more leveled off. So it's not as crazy. They're not having to compete with 10, 15, 20 offers anymore. The majority of the homes that we're selling are still moving pretty quickly. Most of them are in that week to 2 week time frame. We're seeing home values stay pretty close to list prices. In a few scenarios, we are seeing some of the multiple offers. It's been a little bit all over the place as far as price ranges, but we're actually seeing it more on the higher end of the market, so that 600,000-700,000 plus. And if you actually look at the Denver Metro first quarter summary, they actually talk about that. We're seeing a shift from buyers trying to get out of the competitive entry-level part of the market, that 400,000 or 500,000 range. They're actually jumping up a little higher into the sevens because there's a little bit more opportunity for them to buy, a little bit less competition, and higher quality homes. The other thing that we've seen is condos. We're actually seeing a lot more inventory of the condo market come into place because some of the investors that bought those up during the downturn are now starting to liquidate, turn over some of that condo inventory, especially as there's a lot of construction going on in Denver. I think some of those investors are trying to cash out where they think the market is on the high end. So a lot of really good talking points. Market's feeling really healthy right now. I know that our team already in the first quarter, we've closed, I think it's 23 properties, just over $10 million. So it's been a great start to the year. Also good news for homeowners in Denver. This is an interesting statistic. 35% of all of the homeowners in the Denver metro area are in a position where their home is worth twice as much as what they owe on it. So we have a very equity-rich market. That's going to be good news for all of those people that are asking what's happening with the economy. Are we going to get into a recession next year? Are home values going to drop? We're not expecting to see any of that. And a big piece of that is because people have such a strong equity position in their homes versus the last recession where nobody had any money in their homes, so it was easy for people to walk away. So we have a very stable and solid market. That's going to keep things moving forward. We have interest rates that backed off from last fall where they were getting up to 5.25%, in some cases 5.5%. They're back down now into the mid-4s, 4.25%, 4.5%. They've been bouncing back and forth there, but really good interest rates again. So it's a great time to get out there. So give us a call. We want to help you with either your move, selling your home, or just help you get into that next property or even your first property. So call me here at the office, 720-440-2805. You can check us out on our website. You can search all the properties on the market at thegilbertgroupco.com, and we're looking forward to helping you and can't wait to talk to you. Thank you so much.